Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for PayPal Holdings. The report was first published on our website January 14, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video, we give you the information you need to know about PayPal Holdings for the upcoming trading day on Tuesday 18th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price-to-earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current PayPal Holdings performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the PayPal Holdings stock currently holds a -4.603 score, and our system has ranked PayPal Holdings sell candidate since January 12, 2022. In this period the stock has had a loss of -4.69%. This is an average return of -1.56% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for PayPal Holdings, our last headline reads, PayPal Holdings stock price ended on $178.42 on Friday after losing 1.43%. The PayPal Holdings stock price fell by -1.43% on the last day, Friday, January 14, 2022, from $181.01 to $178.42, and has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 3.76% from a day low at $175.40 to a day high of $182. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by -5.39% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 2 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 14 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.56 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $310.16, and the lowest price was $175.40. Right now the price is 42.47%, or $131.74, below 52-week high at $310.16, which also is all-time high for the stock. The PayPal Holdings stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $184.85 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -27.65% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -40.82% and -24.48%. The 12-month trend indicates a -17.47% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -18.57% and 30%. This equals a price between $145.28 and $231.94 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, January 14, 2022, KeyCorp set target to $325 to $250. On Wednesday, January 12, 2022, Jefferies Financial Group set target to $255 to $200. On Tuesday, January 11, 2022, Raymond James set target to $264 to $229. On Friday, January 7, 2022, Royal Bank of Canada set target to $298 to $230. On Monday, December 20, 2021, Wedbush set target to $240 to $220. From analysts, PayPal Holdings stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the PayPal Holdings stock a neutral rating. In this section, we will give you some information about signals found for PayPal Holdings. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The PayPal Holdings stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $185.85 and $188.14. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 3, 2022, and so far it has fallen -8.47%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 79 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 78 days. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for PayPal Holdings. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the stock moved $6.60 between high and low, or 3.76%. For the last week the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.64%. The stock has a beta of 1.64. This tells us that PayPal Holdings is 0.64 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for PayPal Holdings. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. PayPal Holdings currently has a price-earning ratio of 42.48. A high price-to-earnings ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued, or else that investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2021 is expected to be released February 2, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $1.13. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, PayPal Holdings meets first resistance at $189.48. If you do not hold PayPal Holdings shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below, and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $176.09, $174.53, $172.01. Sell at $181.13, $182.69, $185.21. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for PayPal Holdings is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On January 3, 2022, Yuri Frank D made an inside buy of 513 of common stock. On January 3, 2022, Sarnoff and made an inside buy of 513 of common stock. On January 3, 2022, Cristodoro Jonathan made an inside buy of 555 of common stock. On January 3, 2022, Dorman David W. made an inside buy of 590 of common stock. On January 3, 2022, Donahoe John J. made an inside buy of 860 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -54.600. In total, the insiders bought 38,380 and sold 138,472 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is PayPal Holdings stock a buy? PayPal Holdings holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Tuesday 18th, we expect PayPal Holdings to open up 19 cents and start trading at $178.61. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.